second. Why did it change camera angles at the last second? Stop changing camera angle. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Alright. Hello, everyone. Hello, why did that suddenly stop working? Okay, there it goes. It's weird that it sometimes when, oh, you know what? I have no idea what's going on with this. Okay, I think it has something to do with tracking being off. A little bit, there we go, maybe that will work. Change the camera angle. Hello, everyone, how are we all doing this evening? I'm your host, Barren and we got a lot of problems. As you can see, we're currently in a new build, and it's all broken. Ignore the development console at the bottom left. We have another issue. Let's go ahead and have a seat. Come on, let's get down there. Okay, so we have the 2.5D avatar. Let's change over to me sitting down. Let me get out of this developer console. I hate that it keeps popping up. Okay. Now, the green screen we need to adjust. What color was it that we needed in order to have it blacked out? Oh, that was a red color. Let me check the tone that is needed. Display capture. And was it in display capture or was it underneath? No, it wasn't display capture. It was underneath video capture device. Okay. Properties. Okay, so properties, we need to go to filters. And edit filters, and it is FF21. FF21 BBFF. There we go. Done. That will allow me to be able to see through the screen. What did I do? Okay, you know what? I think it's because it's projecting onto the next screen. We need to bring up Unity. We need to bring this over into the other screen and maximize it. There we are. No, that's not right. I never did fully suss this out. Let's get over there real quick and try to figure this out. Let's open up. We're going to have to open up number 3. That's the main one. And then the copy. The copy was made about 2 weeks ago. And copy number 1 is the current one that we... copy 3 is the main one. And copy 3 copy was made 2 weeks ago. We have a problem with copy 3. That was the main development branch. And it's broken. It's completely broken. It's busted. Why is the audio still playing? I gotta fix that too. Let's get over to the main screen, hit escape, go here. I'm going to change the mind. Oh, you know what? OBS video would just bring up my other screen. We need to turn off. Why is it playing through the speakers? It should not be playing through the speakers. I did not just restart this. Cable input. Cable input, okay. That should fix that, so we're not going to have an issue with that. Oh, you know what, main screen. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Back and resume. Okay, so now I should be able to see up there, and we're going to go back to this other screen, and I'm going to make this a full screen for me. It is underneath projector, the output projector, and we need to create output projector on screen 2. There we go, now I got full screen output projector. And the audio wasn't on because there's no audio playing on the main desktop, which means that I am not hearing anything. I'm putting Sabaton on. Screw this. Sabaton. Am I gonna even hear this? Are we having audio issues again? Voice meter. Nope, it's playing. Okay. Cool. So, audio's playing. This thing does not extend far enough because I do not have an audio cable. A cable that is not out of freaking... Who the hell uses zip ties to zip tie cables together? I don't have their legs! We just need that in the background playing so that I'm able to hear things. Look, screw this, I need to bring up my broadcast too so I can see what the hell is going on. Where did the mouse go? Fucking mouse! Where is the mouse at? There's my mouse. 185. This service, back in the hole now. Everybody says it's all broken. It's all broken. I miss YouTube stuff. But screw this. Exit desktop. Exit. Level 185. What happened? What does it? Did I just lose a fucking screen? Why? Why the fuck did that happen? Alright, projector output. We're gonna close out this projector. We're gonna put this one on number 2. Okay, this one here. This one will close out. This one we're gonna put on number 1. Wait, why is both of them going to that one? One should be going to number 2, and one should be going to number 1. Okay, go back here, right click, projector, output. Alright, so now I can see this a little bit better. Okay, so here's what happened. Broken. All of this is mixed up. Where is the main screen? Okay, hold on. Let's find out where this... My entire thing got screwed up. There I am. Hold on. It's smaller than that. Hey, turn the volume down a little bit, I think. need to turn it down a little bit. So it's playing ambiently in the background while I work on everything else. This one, okay. Wait, what? What? I had this stuff working. Why is this? Oh, okay. Go back to this. I'm going back here. Corbzilla. Alright, let's try this again. Projector, straight output projector. You need to create one on display one. So, what? I did not grab it. What is this? A screen capture? Put it back. The fuck? This mouse needs to be replaced. Okay. So, not screwing with that mouse again. So this is the first project. The other project is functional. It's this one here. Hold on a moment. Gotta go to scene. That's a skybox, a chink, so that you can see through it. Is the neon out here? Okay, the neon got removed. That's good. That was moved over to this wall. I guess it was deleted? I thought I moved it onto a wall. Alright, so this one, let's see. What changes were made? I think we could probably do something here. Let's try taking the sandbox from here. Assets. This is copy 3. We need to go over to the copy of a copy. And we need to pull down assets. Let's see if we could do it this way. Go down to the bottom, here, Sandbox Unity. Copy this. Try to take this copy to this copy and overwrite. Alright, now we go into here. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's promising. We are seeing the world around us here. Before I made a bunch of changes to it, it looks like most of this is back intact. Now, there are additional things that were added in here. Let's take a look at this. The scripts have changed. There are some scripts missing. What were these scripts? TTS? Run TTS and run underneath command execution. Bring up the other one. Communication manager. Command execution at transcription manager. A GPT chat manager, okay. and transcription manager. How is that not over here? I think I have that script. Maybe it's because of the changes in the scripts between the last version and this version. Let's try to fix this. So let's go down here. I see a backup file for transcription manager. Is that missing? Oh, you know what? It's because we stopped using transcription manager. We changed it to real-time transcription. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Take a look at the console. 5 items. Oh, that's old school, old script. So, okay. This gets changed to real-time transcription. Alright. And then the other one. What was the other one? What did I say the other one was? GPT Chat Manager. Now, what did we change the name of that one to? I'm pretty sure we changed it to something. Alright, it would be underneath UGBT. Yeah, GPT Chat Manager previously used, yeah, we changed it to UGBT. So this one goes over here now instead. The problem is now we need to go in to sort all this shit out. So, alright, we had set up a new object. Oh man, we gotta go do a whole bunch of stuff. The menus need to be added back into this. But I don't even have the menus anymore. Let's take a look and see if the variables were even put into this thing. Player, player 1, character. Underneath editor, it looks like it's been opened. No, none of the menu items have been even added in as variables. What a pain in my ass. Luckily, I've been showing this thing off to everybody, so I know what that looks like. We should, you know, I can bring up the, let's bring this over onto another screen so I can see it. And then I can bring up chat so I can see what chat's saying and how they'll be rating me. What the hell is a hero board? When did they add that shit to this? Okay, so Restream has said a bunch of things. That's, okay, get back here. Alright. How do we handle this now? Okay, transcriptions had its own transcriber. Create empty. No, it was translations had its own manager. So, translation manager. Communications module. Communication modules. Translation. I hope I spelled it right? Okay. I wonder if I could pull up my old stream and see where everything was at. Let's try to pull up an old stream and see if I can pull some of this stuff up. Is that a squirrel girl? Why do I have a picture of a squirrel girl here? It would be underneath, no, not, I don't think I have a stream of when I was doing this stuff. No. Okay, I don't have a stream of this. 3 weeks. I've gone 3 weeks. I may have lost more than 2 weeks worth of work. Oh, this sucks. Okay. How about this? I'm going to create a empty platform inputs. Platform inputs, okay. So that one, we're going to drag kick WS. Communications manager, Twitch. btlive. YouTube. The viewer manager, we'll leave that in the communications. Crypto manager isn't even set up yet. That's the script that does nothing yet. You turn that one off. Dispatcher. What was dispatcher used for? Oh, text to speech. We don't even use that part anymore. Yeah, that was Windows text to speech. We don't even do that anymore. Okay, we can close out of that. And we can remove this dispatcher. Well, actually, technically, we do use a dispatcher now. The real-time transcriber was modified. Near the bottom here. Wait. Transcribing locally. No, maybe that's not it. Oh, it wasn't in transcriber, it was in TTS. Translator TTS uses that dispatcher. Somewhere in here. Here it is. It's not using AI. It instead uses the text-to-speech module, which will pull from a dispatcher. Does that dispatcher even need to be on screen? I don't know if that dispatcher even needs to be up on the screen. We'll just leave it in just for the sake of having it. Set up no microphone. Yeah, that was necessary for the lip sync, which I think we moved in a later version. This was moved to its own module over here. Oh no. We had one that was for voice changing, and then this one right here was for the text-to-speech. This is necessary for everything, just about. X-Client, we can put that into platform inputs. It no longer works because Elon wants to charge us $100 per year, or something like that, per month. Okay, for now, let's get everything back up and functional. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's missing. Okay. Let's get it working as it is. Uh-oh. I pulled it. Damn it! And when I pull it, and that happens. Fuck you! Okay, hold on. Projector output. One goes to you. The other projector is up on my screen. I'm gonna kill my technicians. remember clicking on kick. I'll get to my broadcast. Let's go straight to my broadcast and bring somebody in because they're curious what we're building. I think this person wants me to do commissions. He wants to sell me commissions. Last messaged me about an hour ago. Okay, bring chat back up, just the chat. There we are. Okay, so this is the old one. There's a lot of things that end up getting lost in translation here. So, jiggle physics. I end up losing my jiggle physics. Alright, translation manager. Okay, translation manager needed a TTS script for itself, which is not in here. We did not get to that point by this point here, so we needed to create a new one, and it's going to be TTS, translator TTS. Alright. Translation manager. There's a translator manager object right there. Translator TTS debug audio, that was just an audio source. Okay. Communications, translator this one right here gets filled at runtime. Voice. Voice? Yeah, it had its own voice module, that's right. Because one voice module needed to handle a different language than the one that's being played to the users. And then it had an engine of its own. And this isn't a translator manager, it's a translator we'll have to name it properly. Let's name it text to native voice module. So what will happen is we'll take native text and its foreign language and it will translate it into a native voice speaker. So Chinese will read Chinese. This one here let's create an empty. I want to call this empty TTS module. And let's go ahead and move our TTS module into it. I'm basically modularizing everything to try to make it so it's easier to handle. Oh, a transcriber has its own module too. Now let's go ahead and leave transcription having its own module. Transcriber goes over here. Transcriber will bring in anything that comes in from our audio object, which, if I recall, was here. Because the audio modules on these are just for TTS, whereas in the transcriber module, we'll pull from my mic. Recorded clip is just for debugging. Alright. Create empty GPT module. I'll bring UGPT into that. And audio is about to die on me. Well, shit. Of course it's gonna fucking die on me. I can't have a good day, can I? Where's that audio cable? Where's the fucking audio cable? It couldn't be right where I need it. It has to be somewhere else in the fucking lab. I fucking hate it all. Ah! I swear somebody's cat probably ate it. I'm gonna eat that cat. It's because it's a braided cable, right? Did a cat carry it off because it's a braided cable? Who let cats in the lab? I'm gonna choke a bitch! I'm gonna choke a bitch! There's not enough beer in this world to handle this shit. Okay. Alright. So, and then the cable will be too tiny, or too small, to actually reach. I'm a choke a bitch. Alright. Good enough. Good enough! Wait. Okay, for this, we don't need to touch my room for now. Just make it no touch. Communications manager. Alright, no microphone for the TTS module. Because it needed an audio module for the lip sync audio output, I think. What was it, this audio source output thing? I don't even know if this ever got changed and fixed. This is for TTS. Okay, you know, yeah, okay. Voice change filter. Goes to TTS. Let's take a look at this thing. Alright, active, Vermont. Now when this is active, it's active on one of our audio devices nearby, I think. Audio source, get component audio source. So whatever audio source is in here, it is active on. Which means that the communication module, we need to drag this audio source in. The TTS, okay. So now, oh, wait, why did you not drag? You bastard. Get over there. Alright, you're not gonna drag? Fine, I'm gonna delete you then. You are not useful to me. That's why it would work. Because this, lip sync audio was necessary. This is so that when TTS, ends up reading off audio, it will also, yeah, there, create an audio source for me over there. Okay, good. Now what this does, it creates an audio input on the, an audio input, it creates a microphone object, or a clip object, that's constantly running. It was necessary on the TTS module, if I recall. Audio output sourcing. This thing yeah, this I think applied to the microphone. I don't remember how this one worked. I just remember it was necessary for the TTS. TTS has a output select, so does the voice changer. Voice changer module should already have their, yeah, there. It's already on there. We'll turn it on this one too. Okay. Translation. Keep it up here for now. Main execution. We would probably put that in the platform inputs. Because when a platform inputs something, we'll have a command that may execute from that. Now, translations. Translations will... Okay, hold on. Give me a moment. Let me process this. Audio, language comes in. A written text comes in from a platform input. It's in another language. When it's in another language, it sends it to the the translator TTS, text to meter voice module. Create a... Alright. Yeah, creates an audio file. That just handles that part. Which will then give us a, will give us an audio file. The audio file comes back. It is a spoken language. Overtone. Undertone would handle that. I think that was where we ended up having a little bit of a confusion when we first created this.
Throw your soldiers
we should have
whence there is no escape.
Another real-time transcriber of sorts. Okay, let's bind everything together first. Your handler doesn't need anything. We need to get the voice. Yeah, okay, this is where Undertone took control here. Alright, yeah, here we go. Create an empty translation module. Okay. Transcription module, translator module, GPT module, TTX module. Okay, everything seems to be coming together. Translator, TTS. Transcriber would not be necessary. This would go here. Okay. Go back here. TTS. So, this goes into the translation module. That was never used. Viewer handler will put in the platform inputs. Because it handles all of the viewers who are coming in from the platform inputs. This thing, if it's used, will be in the text-to-native. This thing is not even used, so we're just going to leave it there for now. Drag the viewer handler up. Kick input. What was a kick input? Oh, those are from the menu that's no longer here because we don't have a menu anymore. There's so many things that are broken on this now because the graphics decided to go shit on me. Overtone editor, TTS, voice editor, 20. How could that even be wrong? I don't know how that could be out of range. Okay, unless it's not picking it up because that's happening on overtone, right? Yeah, okay, overtone, which means text-to-speech. Alright, audio sources will always bring up to the top. Dang it. Voice changer applies to the audio input, put it right there for now. This was necessary to read the BTS that's coming in and have my avatar speak. Close enough. Not like it really matters. Okay. Command execution. Where did I put the command execution? Okay, right there, okay. So let's go ahead and put this. Command execution. Your handler is in the platform input. YouTube chat is in the platform inputs. Translation manager is in the translation module. UGBT is in the GPT module. Alright, so transcription needs attention. Hold on a moment. Speech engine, I think it was. Yeah, speech engine is used with the transcription, so I'll bring this up to the top here. And we use this right there. So what happens is, these are installed. When the transcription changes the whisper pace. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. I think, yeah, we could just do whisper tiny. This is when we're doing English speaking. It's for transcriptions. It's not like it's for translation. Translation module. We need to do the same here and install a speech engine. There. Someone did say I needed to be a speech engine, right? Yeah, it was a speech engine, so yeah, use this one. Text-to-speech module and GPT module. Everything else seems to be alright here. There's going to be something that will not work because it's not on here anymore, I don't think. Your side, some side of Canvas. Take a look at the message area. Wait, where would it be? I thought it would have been on here. Is it in here? I don't know. I thought that there was something here with a call that would load data into here. Probably lost. Lost the time. I don't know, I don't care. I'll have to fix it all later. BTS module. So, this one has its own engine and all that other stuff. After it gets done translating, it should send to the translation manager. The translation module right here. It's got TTS engine and a TTS voice to allow change into a different language, just for transferring the text to speech to a different language. This is just for testing. TTS module should have its own. So we need to set up a TTS engine and a TTS voice. When I added that, it said it was out of range on the voice thing. Let's go to the default, which is English, lip stretch, something. Says all of them are installed. GPT module needs to be able to output the text to speech. Honestly, I don't think we need to do any of this anymore. I need to double check the code, but I don't think it needs to actually do any of that anymore. I had a real complex method of setting all this up. Alright. Text-to-speech. Translation module is supposed to take... Translation module should not be using text-to-speech, I don't think. Okay, yeah, so now it's going... I see. Sends a WAV file, speech to text. What the hell? Okay, hold on a second. Text to speech. What if you... Oh, it's about getting that. Okay. What about voice? Yes, he uses a speech engine. Speech engine, okay. Why does the voice matter? Yeah, I don't think that the voice mattered in this case. Let's go back into here. TTS voice. Find out what the voice is doing here. Let's pulling a sub file from it. It's not even used. There's only 2 references in the file, and they're both self-referential. I'm gonna remove that. Which means we can remove it from down here too. I didn't think that it was necessary, but whatever. The speech engine is necessary. Alright, so let's remove this voice since it's no longer necessary. Speech engine is necessary because what the speech engine does is it takes the message that was passed to this by the native voice, takes the native voice and will select the language for that voice and translate it to English. Oh, yeah, because it gets passed the information on what type of language it is via the object for viewers, the message viewer, the message object. Okay. Translator TTS. That would be this. Voice module. Alright. To tell it to lip sync. We need to go into here. Okay, AR head. Close out the blend shapes. Bring down the profile. There. Alright, so there are 2 different lip syncs. One from voice changing, and this one here, which will be from the TTS. There we go. Alright. I think we're set. Let's go ahead and save and see what happens. Hopefully I got enough defaults in place to be able to get it to operate. Magical cloth is gone. I had my boobs being able to, like, move around a lot. Like, they look really realistic. They're squishy. No longer squishy, though. And they move a little bit now, but not like they were before. Where are they? Oh yeah, they're okay. Not realistic, but... Is that dynamic bow that we're using? How is that working? Let's take a look here. Hips. Oh, hold on. It would be outfits. No. I was right. Hips. Spine. Chest. Press. What? What? Something's not right. How is it even working if they don't have direct bones? What's going on? I might be going crazy. Okay. Let's take a look at this now. These are all the languages that are being picked up by Overtone. GPT module found. Okay, that module is changed since last time. So we need to go pull a new module and add that in. Let's take a look at this. btlive module. Oh, it's trying to put stuff into here, but I can't. Text-to-speech. Okay, we need to add those. And the viewer handlers. The btlive, these things need to be able to add the viewers to the, add the viewers in. How does it need to have that, though? I made it a static object, so it should not be necessary anymore. I think that might be, broken. Okay, let's take a look at where this viewer handler comes into play. Viewer handler. Why is it even used? It's not even used, is it? Because I changed it so it wouldn't need to be used. Instead, it does it automatically now. It just creates an object and puts it into a static array. Bring it over here to find. Yeah, it's only got two referential. Let's remove this. Text-to-speech script. That might not even be necessary either. Considering that I cut that thing out. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that's commented out. These are for processing messages, which is automatically done now. I just delete that. Now why is... Oh, btlive inputs to decide on who is going to be streamed. Current streamer, okay. Alright, we'll save btlive, and we'll go on to the next one. Because I'm pretty sure that all of them are going to have the same exact issue. Well, it thinks that it needs these two, but it's no longer necessary. Alright, number 20, YouTube. Alright, we'll bring down snippets because that's not necessary. Neither is the user for now. Self-referential, not necessary. Text-to-speech. That's the only reference right there. Remove it. I should have done this cleanup a long time ago. Now the reason why all these other variables exist on YouTube chat handler is the way that they have, they bring in their messages. It brings in all the messages at one time, and the messages stay up there. They don't delete after one message like btlive does. If client doesn't work right now, command execute. We'll get that. Oh, you know, we need to add that one in. Well, let's start off with fixing all of this. And then we'll see if that's really necessary. Viewer handler is underneath platform inputs. Twitch chat. I think that was necessary because of how it's able to send messages back to Twitch. YouTube handler, that was necessary to be able to set the channel for YouTube, which I changed later on in a different version. GPT, necessary to give GPT messages, but I don't think it's necessary anymore because of the way that I changed the way that everything's queried. Okay, that's not this. Alright, so it's commented out section, so we're just going to go ahead and delete it anyways. I think we're good on all of this. Alright, let's go ahead and delete the showcase scene. It's just extra stuff I don't need. Alright. HTTP server is not where I left it last, I think. Oh no, never mind, it does bind to the computer. Good, so it's still binding, it's still doing that all right. Just like the voice changer will bind to my head. Yep, right there. Alright. Communications module. I don't know what this is. I think that was something from, okay. Alright, the GPT module needed to be changed. Let's take a look at the one that was available now. I had quite an asshole of a GPT of an AI. Wait, where? Find demos. There it is. Rename this. Copy. Replace this. It's a bin file, so we need to save the .bin at the end. Okay. Prompts. Chat with Barren .txt. Alright, file, save, and try to run it again and see what happens. Have it sit. Okay, so that's the main screen that I get. That should be able to be changed. Take a look at the console. I've got 4 errors. Expected. 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 Okay, I know what those are. This one's not expected. Oh, that's right, we changed a whole bunch of things in here. A picker button. Yeah. Okay, that was for picking the color of the green screen. We have green screen objects, we have the viewer display, viewer cam index, 0, streamer index, change this to 1. Now there's nothing. Streamer cam index, 1. Because there's nothing available. So in the device list 1. There's one device and that's all it's showing right there. Should be a input. I don't know. Yeah, there should be at least one input, right? It's probably because the script is damaged without all the other stuff. Number 143. Right here at the viewer selector, clear options. Well, there's no viewer selector because the menu's gone. So most of these are all expected because the menu that we had created before is gone. We're gonna have to create a new menu. I do not like making menus! Ah! Okay. So, let me try to get my bearings on this. Player options. Here. HUD elements. HUD and menu. Menus. Let's take a look at the player options menu. See if that was the one we used as a default. Let's take a look at game. That was the one we used as a default. We'll use this one as a default again. So, duplicate this. Okay, I'm going to change this to rename. Streamer options menu. Okay, now in order to access the streamer options menu, we need to close this out. You know what, we need to close out this one. The main menu, the pause menu. There. Okay. We're gonna find the little gear in the upper right hand corner. Player options menu? That was the one, okay. Duplicate. Rename. Streamer options menu. Okay, cool. Now, we need to move this thing this way, like that. I'm going to change the image, and we're going to change this to streamer. Open pause menu by name. So this will open up the streamer options menu by name. We also need to go up here, and I think we need to add one in. I'm going to have to work that out in a second. Well, before that, I want to change the image from this to something better. By that, we're going to use... Where is it? Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Oh yeah, I kind of want to use that. I'm going to use that. Yeah, we're using that. Previously, we used our Messenger's logo. The one you made for us. This time I'm using this one. I'm going to leave that open because this is supposed to be open when we pause the menu. Let's go in here character menu. Menu pause. Okay. Menu pause. Character. Menu pause. Alright, here are the menus. I don't remember how we did this. Pause menu. Oh, maybe it's near the bottom? No, what? How do we do this again? This in-game menu for map systems and all that other stuff. We'll close out that. It has to be in... Was it in the in-game menu? Oh, it's sub-menu. This one here. Player options menu. Copy. Paste. Okay. Player option menu. That's not the one we're going to open up anymore. Instead, we're going to open up the streamer option menu. I'm going to go over here and change this to streamer option menu. Alright, we need to find movement direction in the streamer option menu. Okay, and scroll bar 1. Scroll bar 1. Okay. Alright, good. That should allow us to open up our new custom menu. I'm gonna drag this up a little bit to right where underneath player options menu. Okay. Let's go into the streamer options menu. Wait, what? Oh, that's just for the button. Okay, yeah, you're right. Okay, we don't need that one. We can close out of all this. What we need to go into is menus now. Streamer options menu. Oh no, I'm not actually in it. I'm in the right place. We go down here. Let's take a look at what we get in this. Turn off the pause menu. Open up the streamers option menu. Okay, so this is all the bullshit that I had last time. Let's try and bring up my Discord. Dark Samus. Yeah, for some reason people keep thinking I'm Dark Samus. Alright, that's the streamer options menu, the old one. Let's take a look and see if I can find the newer one. Probably showed it to Vampy. Let's see if Vampy's got a picture of it. There's when I was playing with my hair. There's when I was working with Live 2D. But I need to add that stuff back, and oh my god, that's going to be difficult. This is where I was tuning the GPT module. GPT stuff. Assets. Alright, well, he's got an old picture, and this was from the 5th. So yeah, that was 2 weeks ago. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and, I'm gonna open up the image in the browser. That way I can drag this over and show you what it's supposed to look like. This is what it previously looked like. This is what it looks like now. So there is a lot that has been changed. We need to try to get it all fixed back into fixed back to what it was before. I got no audio again. Give me a second. Alright, we should be getting audio back any moment. Let's turn it up a little bit as well. 2 hours of Sabaton's greatest hits. And we need to also bring that projector back up. This one. We just heard this one. You know, it's probably a war crime to actually skip over a Sabaton song, so we're gonna have to listen to it again. Projector output. Why is the projector output not coming up? So this one is for you, this one's mine. Okay, so why is there so many projector outputs? Oh my God. How did I skip ahead 48 minutes? Screw you! I got a problem with this mouse. Oh, and you lost the fucking, the projector was lost on your end as well. Fuck it, I'm closing out that projector. Mine's working. Come back down here. Right click. Projector, create out projector. Display 1, okay. Alright, so we gotta try to fix all this bullshit. The brains in the light of the Lord, the home and the holy. You know, I'm gonna have to bring this onto my screen so it's easier to see. I'm gonna have to bring up my chat again. Alright, read that shit. I'll delete this one.
Dedication, with dedication.
So we just need to keep one of each of these so I have something to work off of. Hold on a second. They say my input was moved. In a different version. Yeah. Go ahead and leave it up here. Okay. So, let's see. Displays menu. This new image here, the display menus, those need to be added on. You go to communications, viewer menu, game screen. That's green screen. Okay. Viewer display, streamer. We're looking at streamer display. Viewer display. Hold on. Back that up. Back that shit up. Okay, streamer display menu. Viewer display menu. Viewer display camera display. Those should already exist. This right here. Alright. And these would be the drop downs which we're going to create. Scale. It wants the other information. Just copy the entire component.
At the bottom of the ocean, the depths of the abyss, they are bound by iron and blood. The flagship of the Navy, the terror of the seas, his guns have gone silent at last.
Something's not right with the sizes. I'm gonna have to adjust them again. Damn, okay. We're gonna take the drop down from here. Copy this over. And displays menu. Paste here as a tile. Paste here as a tile. Adjust the location. Let's try maintaining this to 0. There we go. We're going to drop it down. Up. Even the menu needs to be a little wider. Yeah, that seems better. Yeah, even with the small changes, we should be good now on that. Copy component. Hold on, what I do? Okay, go back here to rectangle. Copy.
to combat where bodies lie by. Hides his emotions, his blood's running cold. Yes,
There we go.
victories is
We need to adjust the size a little bit.
bright. Our white light. If there be any glory in war, let it rest on them like head. Cross the scroll of Nazion, where no soldiers sleep and where hell 6 feet deep. The deathless wait, there's no debate. So charge and attack, going to hell and back. A man of the 15th, a man of can-do. Friends fall around him, yet he came through. Let them fall face down,
Close enough.
they must die.
Now, I'll go back into communications manager.
Right, our white light. If there be any glory in war, let it
Theater selector will be this drop down.
went to hell and came
Streamer selector will be this drop down.
gather round me and listen while I speak. Oh, Allah, where hell is 6 feet deep. And all along the shore, where cannons still roar.
Oh, this isn't going to change anything because we haven't put the menus yet. God damn it. The drop downs may change though, so we'll take a look at that. Yep, there it goes. The 3 that I was expecting. Okay. Now if we sit down, we should also see that blue screen right there. Good. We came somewhere. I'm fixing things. I'm fixing things! Yes! We gotta get that picker put back in here too. We had a color picker that needed to be readjusted. I don't even remember how I got that thing in here. I know there was a bunch of issues with it. Alright, movement direction. We're changing the name of that. That's gonna be voice changer menu. Camera direction? No. BTS menu. BTS. How did the voice changer? Oh. Probably. Once again, start again, start again, start again, recommend, then, underman, recommend, once again, underman, start again, start again. Audio source. We had a thing for this. An audio source. Audio, there it is. We had this. An audio output device enumerator. This. Text-to-speech. Voice changer. That's an SOC. Oh. Alright. Text-to-speech audio output device. And voice chat. audio, voice changer output device. Voice changer output device should be this. Alright, and then the text-to-speech one should be this one. Text-to-speech selector, that. Oh no, no, it's the drop-downs up here. We need to add those drop-downs. Close enough. Just drop it down. Oh, no, we just leave it right there. You just shrink it down a little bit. Testing my processor with this already. So rename this TS color select. Button. Picker button right there. I'm gonna duplicate these screens. Bring it up a level here. Now we need number 1 to go up here. Rename this green screen. Duplicate. undo that. It's not these that we need to do. It's to explain. Rename this. Viewer Display GS.
I won't be coming home. I won't be going anywhere. I will guard this post forever.
Looks like there's an extra space there. We'll take one off. Okay. And we can also remove the HDMI selector here. Oh, wrong one. That's the high, when I die, I'll be immortal forever. I never, I won't return to the mountain. I am the soldier of heaven. Alright, now next up we need to go into this side here. Duplicate this. Bring it up above. Bring it up above. And rename it. Streamer side HDMI. Yeah. Alright, that should fill just about everything. Let's go test this. I think what we need to do is we need to make a backup of this scene. Now we would have to go through all this crap again. Oh, it's a lot of work. Oh, you know what? That's right. It won't change. Oh, but will the color select work? Of course it won't. We don't have it set up yet.
That's the Wehrmacht overrun. Russia 1941. They don't belong. We stand out
We need to add to the options menu. Where is it?
Face the bullets of their guns, Russia's daughters and her sons, all the brave who stand against the typhoon wave. From the mountains and the plains, coming thousands on the trains, day and night, rolling in to join the fight. From Kazakhstan to Magadan,
This was the one here.
all of the motherland, Russia shall prevail. Standing for command of the homeland. Hear the mother's call, rise to the storm. Moscow will never give in, there is no surrender. Force them into retreat and into defeat.
I don't remember how this thing works. Alright, this is the thing. Okay, so we need to go back into the displays menu. Ah, yes. It was in the script here. Color select button. The color select button let's see what happens with this. It's gonna, oh, you're, I do not remember how this thing works. I do not remember how the color picker works, but we're gonna have to try it anyway and see what happens.
Into the motherland, the German army march.
Color select. There's nothing. Alright, something ain't right. These were expected.
1943, tanks line up in thousands, as far as I can see. Ready for the onslaught,
This is need to be fixed.
waiting for the access.
Ah, yeah, that's the speech selector, okay. We should probably get to that part too. Get it done and over with.
Cover of the night, waiting to be triggered when the time is right. Imminent invasion, imminent attack. Once the battle started, there's no turning back. The end of the Third Reich draws near. Its time has come to an end. The end of an era is here. It's time to attack.
I think it was this one, wasn't it? Take a look at the color picker and see if I can figure this out.
Side by side, stop the Nazi charge.
I'll wait. Okay. I'm trying to fix something that broke badly. Audio might be a little low. I might have to adjust that. Sabotage meant to be played loudly. There we go. Yeah, see, I have this project we've been working on for like forever. I lost 2 weeks of code. So, yeah, I don't have any viewers right now anyways. I've been gone for about a month working on this project. The last game that I played was Scarlet Nexus. The next game I'm playing, I haven't decided yet. I played, something yesterday. What was it? Huh, you know, now I noticed something. This should be connected. Why is it not connecting? That's not right. Something's wrong with the face. Characters, player. We need to go into here. AR head. Face cap. Yeah, it looks like everything's looking right here. Why is it not working? Yeah, it's not working. Well, this isn't a game. If I sit down, you see it's my VTubing avatar. I'm working on it right now though, and it looks like it should be connected. Why did this change? Oh, it's because I'm connecting to Wi-Fi instead? Is that it? That's probably it. If I connected directly to the... Give me a second. There we go. Now it's working. Hello, how are you? Like? So, I have this avatar, but I also had a 2.5 avatar, which is kind of like a VTubing avatar. It uses a 3D model projected as a 2D object. Okay, it doesn't look like translations are working. There should be stuff at the bottom. Yeah, something's not right. There's part of the communications manager is not working properly. It says it's loaded. I'm supposed to have subtitles on here. Well, you take care. It was nice meeting you, Maxwell. You have a good evening. Hopefully by next Monday I should be back to playing some games. I'm going to try playing some console games. I usually play JRPGs. Alright, what am I missing? Something happened. And the text-to-speech stopped working, transcription stopped working. Alright, see you later. It's not listening, that's why. There, is it working now? Hello, how are you doing? Something isn't working. Okay, I've seen 87 instances. No references, no references, no references. All coming from Kick? Why is the KickWS client kicking in like that? Oh, I see. That's happening because I connected the Wi-Fi. started losing its connection. Alright. Something isn't right here. Subtitle message area. Yeah, that's not doing anything. I had a special script on this. I'm gonna have to figure out what that was. Oh, it's on transcript. This wasn't. Okay. Alright, I got it. So, if we were to... Yeah. Alright, we gotta shut this down. And we're gonna go try... Good night, Maxwell. We're gonna have to try to put the on transcript, go into message area, go down here and put on transcribe. This code. Yeah. Okay. You know what? We don't even need it on here. Let's remove the component from here. We'll put it on the transcriber. And the real-time transcriber, we're going to add in on transcribe. Then we're going to go with transcription module, transcriber, and the text area is this text area here. Japan. Alright, and now we try it again. Okay, so, taking a look at the console, 4 codes, expected, kind of, because one of them is not set up in the menu yet, for the audio stuff yet. Okay, now, let's go ahead and have a sit. Now that we're sitting, let's take a look at our message area. How is the message area looking up? Hello? Oh, son of a bitch, it isn't working. Why? Okay, let's take a look at the on transcribe. Okay. I think the transcriber was set up in such a way that when it transcribed, it would call the on transcriber. Okay, here, take a look at this. On transcribe invoke, and it should push this. And transcribe. Why is it not popping up? I don't remember how this worked. It's been so long. I haven't worked on this in like forever. I don't know what's going on with it. Alright, so that's malfunctioning. I kind of don't want to spend too much time trying to fix. Kick keeps failing on me. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Okay. Is it not? Oh, it's not listening. That's why it's not working. Okay, now we're testing it. perfectly. Perhaps I need to change it to a different... Alright, yeah, I think I'm going to change it to a different one. But now we know what's going on with that. By default, it does stay off. Okay, so transcriptions are working. We have a setup. We have to go to the menu. Take a look at the menus again. Let's bring up the image on my screen. What do I do with that image? There it is. Alright. I'm running out of time. Alright, displays menu. Displays menu goes above everything else here. Above that and above this. Alright, so menu name, voice changer menu. Let's go in here. Text. Voice changer. Alright. This scroll bar here, the first one, we only need one of them on this one. So we're going to change the name of the scroll bar. Oh, okay. Yeah, we have to move these. Alright, where's the text for the scroll bar at? Handle, there it is. Okay, the handle... No, handle's not it. Ah, that's a handle. Sliding area. Scroll bar. The text. Okay, there's the voice changer text. Oh, okay, there it is. I don't know why it calls it that. Okay. Rename. DC text. Toggle. DC toggle text. I'm going to take this up to the top. It's going to be right underneath that. I'm going to change the DC toggle text to the word active? Question mark. Like, are you sure you want to do this? And we're going to scroll this up a little bit. Scroll bar will go up. Now we gotta grab onto the yes and no, the off and on. Bring it to the left, and bring it up. Off like that. Okay, the on one, you know what, here. Just grab this, copy, component. We're going to do the same over here and paste it. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to go ahead from the left. Where did it go? Oh, I scrolled it way too far. Okay, try it again. Ah, what's happening is the right is keeping it from going all the way over. There, now it's all the way over. Top? No, it was right where it needed to be. Okay, on and off. The other scroll bars? Not necessary. Matter of fact, let's go ahead. We need to grab the mouse sensitivity and the volume sensitivity here. drags on into here. Alright. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 from the bottom. That puts it into the thing. Now we need to shrink it down. Start with this one. The problem is mouse sensitivity. We're going to change this word to format. Format. Then we're going to go to slider. We need to reduce the width of the slider down. We need to move the position over. Down there. And position Y. Drop down. Right about there. Height. Width needs to be increased again. Change position. Yeah, let's try changing it to 0. See what happens. Okay. Putting it direct center isn't bad, but we do need to have it a little bit over the because we have a word next to it as well. Mouse sensitivity value. Let's change the position of this to 0. That's the one we're looking for. Okay. So we need to reduce, bring this down. Alright. Mouse text. Change the position of this to 0. Okay, cool. We're going to bring it over a little bit more. And we're going to drop it down. I'm going to have to do a lot of adjusting on all this stuff later on because now it's all damaged. We're going to rename this as Format. And we're going to delete the volume slider since we got the setup we need. Delete that, and we'll duplicate this instead. And drop this down a little bit. Wait, what? Okay. Position. I thought I could grab the entire thing. That was going to be the case. Right about there. And we're going to change the word here to pitch. Okay. The slider needs to be slid down. Now sensitivity value needs to move down. Yeah, we could probably drop down everything else a little bit as well. Let's take this language thing. We'll use the language one to adjust this. Image can be deleted. That's just the background. We're going to take the text and bring it up here. No, we're going to take the entire thing and drag it up here. That'll work. Change this to 0. Want the entire thing
Throw
brought to
your
0.
soldiers into positions whence there is no escape, and they will prefer death to flight.
Alright. The text needs to be moved over. to change this one to voice changer output device. Change the position. Why? Right there. And take the drop down over. Right about there. Okay. Here's the problem. The image here needs to be made larger. Can that even be done? Maybe we need to grab it here and increase the height of this. Yeah. Oh man. That's why I hate menus. We're about there, I think. Alright, flip on, settings. I don't know why it just doesn't let me drag this to bring it up. It doesn't matter, I suppose. Just grab these and bring it up. And then we'll change this so it's a pitch setting instead. Oh, welcome back, Maxwell. Didn't see you there. So I don't have a text to speech, so I don't know. Like how you say when I am engrossed in what I'm working on, I don't notice people right away. That's one of the reasons I try to get that text to speech up so that it gives me a heads up when somebody drops in the chat. Alright, bring this up. Why am I gonna do that? Bring this up. Okay, and then a language selector. This one, I see what's going on. There is a way to change it so you can have it all move at one time. You need to change the rectangle, transform. So it says left middle. Okay. Like that. Same with these. I'm going to create a toggle underneath here. VC toggle. There we go. And we'll put... Oh, that goes underneath the text here. Like that. Alright, good night. Thanks again, Maxwell, for dropping by. Again, sorry I didn't notice you right away. Not gonna drop that one. We're gonna drag this one. There we go. So now we got VC toggle. And we're gonna change this one. Okay, cool. Alright, that should be it for VC toggle. Save this. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Language selector, we need to change this. BC output selection. Okay, then with that set, we can go into the transcription, was it? Where was this being screwed up at? There it is, the VC selector. Alright. That's set. Change this one to TTS menu. Okay, and then we gotta move the position right there. Good. Go into here. Text. TTS. Oh, delete that. There we go. TTS. Good. Then right here, this is VC toggle. We'll change that to TTS toggle. Okay. Active was the previous setup. We're going to go ahead and delete these. The pitch and the format, because we don't use those anymore. We do have two other options that are similar to TTS toggle. It's going to duplicate this twice. Duplicate and duplicate. So we're going to drag this up, there, and there. Okay, so TTS toggle, drag this down a little bit. Translate and GPT. Okay, cool.
Turning neighbors into foes. Soldiers of the Third Reich searching homes. And under former friends are
Okay. And finally, the last part. TTS output selection. Okay. So, going back to communications module, there was one on the TTS at the bottom here on the enumerator. Wait, yeah, enumerator right there, TTS selection. Drop down. Cool. Oh, wrong one, damn. Undo that. EC output, okay. TTS output selection. Right there, okay. Save that. Alright, let's get the height from the TTS menu. 30690. And we'll take that and drop it into here. The copy. Let's also get the location. 97.1. Okay, cool. Done. We're gonna go down to there.
Through the gates of hell, as we make our way to heaven, through the Nazi lines. Viva Victoria!
Move both of these at once. About there. Everything's so hell. When they call me to heaven, the Nazi line. do it on that. Let's see here. We need to go and adjust the stuff that we had changed. Alright. Okay. Cool. And now it was in the communications module where we had to re-add those things that I just lost. So here, menu. There's the green screen. Good, good. Hey, guy out of Buffalo, what's up? How's it going? I'm trying to fix a bunch of crap. Alright, what we need to do now is take the text TTS menu. We're going to duplicate that. I'm going to change this to AI selection. AI menu. We're going to have to drag this down. Oh, wrong way. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, it's because we don't need the last part. That's right here. We deleted. Right about there, I think. Yeah, that should do it. I'm going to drag these down. Hold on. Let's go from the bottom down. Makes it a little bit easier. Alright, now then we're going to go here and do AI selection. AI selection. Okay. Let's see. AI selection involves translations. Yeah, translation was done through AI. translation needs to be either online or offline. Like that. Okay. Translations. Transcriptions. Alright. That should set up the AI selection for whether or not we're going to be doing the local machine or if we're going to be using OpenAI. Nope, I did not need to duplicate. We need to delete that. We need to delete this. And we need to delete this. Alright. Let me go and grab the text. Oh, we'll grab the format first. Drag that down. I change this to transcription. Whether or not it's active or not, correct. And then we change the format. The sensitivity. Oh, I've also sensitivity settings too, damn. Okay. Good. Only one other thing left. Oh, a couple things, but the others are not really important. Set default.
So hurry up, rearm and refuel. But through the bombers damage their brain. See wounded men scatter the ball. Look to the right and then look again. And see the enemy in the eye. No bullets fly, spared by his mercy. Escorted out, out of harm's way. Fly, fight it fair. It's the code of the air. Brothers, heroes, foes. Honor in the sky. Flying home. Said goodbye to the cross in the sun. He risked his life 2 times a day to save an unknown enemy. Escort to safety out of the kill zone. A short salute, then that part and flight. Fighting fair is the code of the air. Brothers, heroes, foes. Honor in the sky. Flying home. Said goodbye to the cross in the sun.
Alright, so let's grab save settings. Nope, wrong way. Grab the set by default. And we increase the width of this one. Okay, we need to go a little bit over.
Fighting fair is the code of the air. Brothers, heroes.
Alright. Almost done.
Honor in the sky. Flying home. Said goodbye to the cross in the sun.
Okay, voice changer. Let's go to the drop down text. The drop down menu here. We'll remove these options for now.
From a land across the ocean to the western front where they stood. From courage and devotion, Peter sets his hand. As the spring of fences get churning, where the men would earn their name. See the tides of battles turning, and the falls ignite their flame. Hear the toll of the bell, kept fighting for 6 months in hell. As the war rages on, they fight at the edge of the Argonne. Hear the toll of the bell, over 6 months in hell. Out of the trenches they came. As the war rages on, at the edge of the Argonne. Hell fighters earning their name.
Okay.
Prisoners taken, and they never lost any ground. When the cross of war unshaken, never
Nothing we need to change here. panel, top panel, there it is. It changes to streamer. Alright. Device enumeration. Let's take a look at the device enumeration and see if it's all set. TTS module, I think, has its device enumeration on it. Yeah, it's all set. Okay, let's try this out again. That's the thing. That one's not doing that in a long time. I guess it's fixed now. Good. It's bringing up all this audio stuff that's needed. We're already looking at the OBS screen. These toggles don't do anything yet. We're gonna have to go and adjust the variables for them. That's wrong there. See, this one's lowercase all. These ones are uppercase. We're gonna have to switch these to all uppercase. Okay. Alright, good. Now, the last thing we need to fix these are normal. I've been having these errors for a long time. These are the errors I need to fix now. And that's all right here. platform. We're gonna go ahead create empty. And we'll make this one Twitch. Problem is, we can't have it there. We need to grab it here and bring it underneath platforms. We bring it underneath text, like that. Alright, we're gonna put it on the... There. Create empty. And it's gonna be label. Create empty. Now here, I'm gonna duplicate this. And there's our label. Delete this. Zero. So from the left. Alright, now also with the label, we need to add on another item to Twitch. Create empty. Now this is going to be a text field. Let me take a look at what we need to get for this. btlive WS5. Let's start with that one. Go into platform inputs. TMP input field. Look at the TMP input fields now. What do we do it from here? Let's delete this. See if maybe we do it with here. Yeah, I think this was it. There. There it is. That's how it's done. Okay, and we label this Twitch input. Username, example, Barren Wolfsbane. Okay, so let's see. Isn't there supposed to be like a placeholder you can put in here? I might be wrong. I don't remember how to do do it. I'm not gonna waste time trying to do it either. There's supposed to be a placeholder asset. Oh, there it is, placeholder. Ah, okay, it's already in here. Alright, good. That's it for that. So Twitch is done. Let's we'll do kick. Duplicate this. Name this kick. Position Y. Drop it down a little bit. Okay, cool. Label. Kick chat room. Kick input. Placeholder. Kick chat room ID. ID. Example, chat room. Duplicate. Oh, we're gonna put btlive on here. There we go. btlive username. Okay. What's the example I have here? What is the example I have here? I can't even read my example anymore. You know what, here. I got it. I know what to do here. We'll just move this image. Ah, there it is. We'll put off my chat. And go back over here to the placeholder. This is the example of mine. Alright. Duplicate. YouTube live URL. YouTube input. Placeholder. Live stream URL. Okay, now we can use the current live stream on right now. Oh wait, what did I just open? Okay, no, that's my wrong file. That's Sabaton. I'm already listening to Sabaton on the other system. But here, pull up my live stream. It should be this one. Is that the correct live stream here? Yeah, it is a watch thing, so this is correct. Example. There. And now we need to drag this down. Alright, gives us one more spot for Rumble later on. We'll adjust that when we get to it. File, save. Okay, so now we gotta go into each of these platforms. Kick. Kick input, okay. Switch input. btlive. btlive input. I think it was this one that we needed, and not the other one. We'll find out in a second. Alright. Time to launch again. We'll check to see what kind of errors we get. No errors, okay. That's a good sign. And pre-populated this with what is currently being activated. That's a good sign. Try to see if it'll start changing something. Nope, we need to change the code to get it to work. Menu items all need to be coded again. Be integrated in with the No, it should have changed, it looks like. Oh no, here it is, set channel. There's so much that needs to be done on this. Yeah, I think I'm out of time. Yeah, we're out of time. even looking at? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate the sandbox item here. Copy that. I'm gonna take a copy outside into the downloads area. There's no way in hell I'm gonna run the risk of the sandbox being damaged again. Fuck that. I've got so much that needs to be done. Alright, so that's going to be it for our broadcast. It looks like we're almost at the end of that 2-hour-long sabotage video as it was. So, yeah, thanks for hanging out. Listen to a little bit of music, and I got a good portion of the stuff that I lost over the last 2 weeks done. Good thing the scripts were still there. And the good thing a lot of the stuff I imported was still there. It's just the scene got completely corrupted, and we need to rebuild the entire scene, which means rebuilding the menus and all that other stuff, and what a disaster. It's almost fixed again, though, and then we can go and start putting those 2.5D avatars on and all kinds of other stuff and try to make some better things. I think I might be back tomorrow. Yeah, I might be live streaming again tomorrow. You have a wonderful evening, and we will see you again tomorrow, when I'll be continuing on fixing this thing, and we'll probably be back to gaming on Monday of next week. We were supposed to do gaming Monday this week, but the thing got corrupted. Yeah, that was great. Anyways, see y'all later. Oh, you guys fan art that you like to submit, you can join our Discord, links in the About section on any platform you're watching this from. We'll put your images in the upper right-hand corner at the end of every live stream. Give a shout out to our top channel contributors and our subscribers, as well as new people to our channel. Have a great night. We'll see you again next time.